Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to provide a basic tutorial on editing videos with smartphone using the Inshot application. You can install this Inshot application for free on Play Store, or to make it easier, you can to click on the link in the description box. Okay, in this Inshot application, we can make a new project, add a video clip, cut the video, change the video size or aspect ratio, add background or music, add text, add a picture or sticker, and save the video. How are the steps? Let's watch the video until it's finished. Okay. The first step that must be done is to create a new project. The trick is open the Inshot application and then click on video and then click on new, and the videos file stored on the smartphone will appear. The second step is to add a video clip. The trick is select a video to be edited and then click the video. Then click the check mark so that we have a video project in our clip. The third step is to cut the video. To cut our video, click the video in the template and then select trim or the cursor icon. Here there are three options, that is the trim, used to cut the video by determining the beginning and end of video. And then there is cut, used to cut the video in half, and we can determine the part of the video while split, to separate the video into two or more parts. But this time, I will use the trim. The fourth step is to change the video size or aspect ratio. The trick is placing the timeline on the video where the aspect ratio will be changed. And then select canvas and then select the ratio. Here are some options like size for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and etc. But this time, I will use the aspect ratio for YouTube. The fifth step is add the background. The trick is click the music icon and then click the track, and three sections will appear, such as featured, my music, and effect. This time, I choose to use the featured part of extract video. We select the music video that will be used, then click the video. And then click the check. To edit the background, select the background bar and then select edit.
Here we can cut the background and change the volume. To cut the music in two parts, we select split by first positioning the timeline line. I will erase this extra one. And then click check. The sixth step is to add text. The trick is positioning the timeline line in the section where the text will be added. Then click the icon and type the desired text. After that, set the color for the font type and the effect or text motion. And then click check. Set the duration of appearance and the length of the text by sliding the arrow icon on the bar. To position the text, we can press and hold the text and position it according to the text. And then click check. The seventh step is to add an image or sticker. The trick is select the sticker icon and then select the image icon. Then search for the desired image. To adjust the position and size of the image, we can press and hold the image. To To adjust the motion effect, select the edit, then specify the movement in and out of the image, then click check. Finally, save the edited video. Click Save in the upper right corner. And then select the video quality. The higher the quality, the sharper the video's result and the longer it takes to export and the bigger the file size. I will choose this. Wait a minute. And yeah, click check.
Okay guys, so that's the basic tutorial for editing videos on a smartphone using the Inshot application. Hopefully, it's useful and inspiring. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching and see you on the next videos. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.